You might need to show a mark of tapping on your mobile phone. Show taps is a setting in Android to display a circle on touch event on the screen. This tutorial will provide step-by-step instructions to turn on show taps on Android. The setting is located in developer options, but you can easily enable it. Here is how to show taps on Android. Tap on settings. Go down and tap on about device. Now tap on version. Tap 7 times on version number. This will enable developer mode for you. Then back to settings homepage and tap on additional settings. Select developer options. Scroll down and find show taps. Turn on this setting. Now tap anywhere on the screen to experience the circular mark. You can follow one more way to enable show taps. After enabling developer mode, search show taps in settings. Tap on the result. Turn on show taps. Thanks friends for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.